What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we're opening up Evolving Skies ETB. Now, I didn't upload a video last week. I had work, I picked up a shift, so I wasn't able to do a video. But here we are today, opening up Evolving Skies. After this, I have one more ETB for Evolving Skies, and then I'm going to move on to Celebrations, a new set that is Celebration set that is coming out this week. Actually, no, is it this week? Well, it is coming out on October 8th. October 8th is the official release date for Celebrations. So we have the sleeves, a code card for anyone that plays it online. That's gone. Energy, and then the dividers. Anyways, Celebration. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, yeah. 8 cards in this ETB. But yeah, I have. Oh yeah, forgot the dice. Whatever. No one cares about that. I don't even play the game. I'm just here for the cards. Anyways, Celebrations. I do have a bunch of pre-orders ready to go. I'm super excited. Hoping to pull some good cards in it. Alright. But let's get back to this Evolving Skies. Can we get the Rayquaza or Dragonite? Any of the evolutions, please. Because I only have one more box left. And then that's it. Salamence. Altaria. Non-hollow. Alright, cool. I hope I pull something. Because I have not been getting anything. Like, really just the V cards. I mean, it's something, but that's not what I'm looking for. Crystal. Moon and Sun badge. Speaking of Sun and Moon, I do have a Sun and Moon ETB. I don't know when I'm going to do a video on that. But I need to. I never opened up Sun and Moon cards before. Ampharos. Non-hollow. Cool. So far, nothing. Next pack. Show the code card. And it's gone. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Leaf, Energy, Flaffy, Firewar, Herder, Tentacool, Hoppip, Dino, Mareep, Wobbuffet, Snowleaf badge, and a holographic Vitini. Yay! We got something. So far, 1 for 3 in these packs. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more packs to go. 5 more packs to go. I can open this. Okay, there we go. Oh, I kind of saw something. Okay, well, we did get something. That's good. I saw a little texture. All right. Is it an Eevee? Dragonite? I don't know. I hope it's something really good. Or alternate arts. Please, give me an alternate art. All right. We definitely got something. But what do we get? Who knows? Find that on the next video. Tentacool, Hoppip, Dedino, Mareep, Wobbuffet, Appleton, and Garbodor. I said his name wrong. Whatever. VMAX. Yay! We got something. Woo! Garbodor VMAX. Not what I'm looking for. But first time pulling that card. Cool. On to the next pack. So far, nothing too crazy. And it is a, okay, green code. Well, that's not good. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 from the back. Alright. Skip Bloom. Raihan. Rimbombi. Lotad. Sableye. Teddy Ursa. Mareep. Zora. Xena's Resolve. And Shiftry. Non-hollow regular rare. Okay, how many packs I got? I got 3 packs left. Can we at least get some evolutions, please? That was the whole point of this set, was the evolution. Oh, okay, I see something. Oh, shoot. Okay, well, we did get something. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know if you saw the little glimpse of the art. Okay. Well, it's a VMAX. I can tell by that. But which one? Which one is it, guys? Girls. Slack Off. Flabibi. Carvana. The Weeble. Bergmite. And Jolteon VMAX. Alright. We finally got a evolution. And this one we have is Jolteon, the electric type of the evolution. Alright. Cool. We finally got something. At least we finally got an evolution of a VMAX, but 2 more cards to go. Can we get an alternate art? It's really the alternate arts are like, they're so dope. Like, that's what I really want, is the alternate arts. Like, they look so cool. I don't have that many. I haven't really pulled that many alternate arts in the set. Like, in like other sets too. Like, the only alternate art I have pulled is probably like 2. One from Rapid Strike. And Chilling Region was, I pulled another alternate art. But that's, I only have 2 alternate arts. Damn. And they weren't even the best ones. Oh, drop that. And reverse Hot Pip. And a holographic Reggie. I've never been able to pronounce that, but Hollow Reggie guy. Yeah, electric type. Cool. Well, last pack. Can we get an alternate art? Please. Please. Alternate art. I will have one more ETB after this. Okay. Last pack, y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. This is it, y'all. Okay. This is it. The final. Oh, copyright. Switching Cups. Tentacruel. Boldor. Wobbuffet. Hot Pip. Swablu. Zora. Crying. Man, I forgot how to pronounce his name. Whatever. Nuzleaf. Alright, here we are. Nuzleaf reverse. And nothing. We got nothing. Talaflame. Regular rare. Cool. Cool. So 1, 2, 3, 4 of 8. So basically 50-50. Really, the pull rates are kind of wonky with this set. it's a hit or miss. Like, you either get some good stuff or you just don't get anything at all. I mean, we got some decent stuff. But here we go with Jolteon VMAX, Garbodor VMAX, Vitini Hollow, and a Regigigai Hollow. Well, I'll see you on the next video. I have one more ETB. Please like and subscribe. Share the video. Follow my Instagram account. That's when I'll post about a video at Angelo. No. At Pokemon Master. Shoot, I don't even know my own Instagram. I'll put it in the description. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.